everybody. This time I'm going to show you guys how to make this super cute little clover. And for this one, to make it nice and sturdy as a keychain, it's actually 2 clovers that I sewed together after they were finished. But it makes it much sturdier and holds its shape better if you sew 2 of them together. So to get started, you need a magic ring and some green yarn. So you can pick any color green you like, or if you want to do it in any other color, you can take your pick. We're going to make our magic ring. We're going to chain 2, and we're going to do 3 treble crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. You're going to chain 2 and slip stitch back into the circle. And you just do that 3 more times. And that gives you your 4 little petals, your 4 leaves for your 4-leaf clover. So again, we'll chain 2, do 1, 2, oops, that was a double. Oh, I'll get it here in a second. There's another one, so 3, and then we'll chain 2, slip stitch back into our circle, chain 2, got 1, 2, 3, so chain 2, slip stitch into the circle, chain 2, 3 more trebles. I don't know about you guys, but treble stitches have always been a little tough for me. The loops tend to get away from me. So there's 3, we'll chain 2, slip stitch back into the circle. So we're going to tighten up our circle, kind of pull everything together here. It doesn't have to be all the way tight just yet. But I'm going to take and do 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is completely a preference kind of thing. So if you want your stem to be shorter or longer, you can have less of a chain or more chains. So then I'm going to slip stitch back up this chain that I just made, because I don't like my stem to get too wide on these clovers. And then we're going to do another slip stitch back into that magic ring to attach it back in there nice and strong. So then we're going to cut our thread. And this is where you can kind of play with your clover. I'm actually going to pull this working string down through the middle, because that's going to make it easier when I go to attach the other side for this not to be hanging out the front. So I'm going to tighten my circle down, get nice and tight. You can even tie these 2 pieces in a knot just to make sure that they don't come undone or loosen over time. Oops. Okay. So then you will make a second one just like this one. And then, like I said, you can sew the two pieces together, or if you prefer, you can slip stitch around the outside of both pieces to attach them together. And then if you want it to be a keychain, you can pop a little key ring on it. You could put a little hair bow clip on the back. There's lots of things you can do with these. Use them as a little applique on a little buddy doll for St. Patrick's Day. I would probably do this one in a lighter green if I was going to use this hat. But there's lots of things you can do with these. They're super cute. You can also do them in different colors and leave the stem part off. And it makes a very cute and easy 4-bloom flower. So if you wanted to do something with hydrangea blooms, this is a great shape for those. And then you can attach all of them to whatever you want them to be on. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.